In front of me is OUKITEL RT5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the top left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one, set up an hour and hit OK. Then choose repeat and tap on days of the week. Following that, tap on this bell icon here. To tap on add new and pick any music from your device or select one of those device sounds. Either way, when you're ready, go back, disable or enable vibrations thanks to this square next to vibrate, hit label and name your alarm however you wish to. Choose OK. And to hide all of those settings, click at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To delete it, tap at the bottom right corner and hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!